Huawei just changed the meaning of Air. While Apple's iPhone Air went ultra-thin, Huawei's new Mate 70 Air goes for power and practicality, and it's loaded with surprises. Leaked hands-on photos from Weibo show a design similar to the Mate 70 Pro, featuring smooth rounded edges and a slightly curved middle frame that fits perfectly in your hand. The display appears to be micro-quad curved glass, giving it that premium floating edge look, more refined than the Galaxy S25 Edge or any slim flagship this year. But here's where it really stands out: battery life. Instead of going paper thin, Huawei packed in a massive 6,500 milliamp hours battery. That's more than double the iPhone Air's 3,149 milliamp hour cell. It also supports 66-watt fast charging via USB-C, which means you can go from 0 to 100% in under 45 minutes. That's serious endurance for an Air phone. And then there's the camera. Huawei didn't hold back here either. The Mate 70 Air reportedly packs a 50-megapixel main camera, a 13-megapixel ultrawide, and an 8-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with optical zoom. There's even a multispectral sensor to enhance color accuracy in photos and videos, something even flagship phones from Samsung and Apple don't have. The Mate 70 Air is rumored to launch November 6th, with pre-orders already open in China. For now, it's a China exclusive, but the specs alone make it one of the most balanced Air phones ever, prioritizing real-world usability over thinness gimmicks. So what do you think? Should Apple and Samsung learn from Huawei's Air strategy? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.